Let's make some pasta and sausage. It's called Penne Alla Norcina. I'm going to use some heavy cream, some white wine, olive oil, some penne pasta. Here's some Parmesan and garlic, a little bit of onion and rosemary, a little bit of nutmeg, and I'm going to use Italian sausage, like that. And let's get started. I've been heating my pan. I'm going to add some olive oil. And add the sausage. You want your pan fairly hot. I want to put a quick brown on this and get it browned up quickly. It's only cooked for a couple minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the onion. Just a small amount of onion, 1/4 a cup. And some salt. It's gone for another 2 minutes. I'm going to add chopped up rosemary. I measured it after I chopped it up. It's about a tablespoon and 2 cloves of garlic. And cook for 1 minute. It's cooked for about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of white wine. The wine is an alcohol that will help flavors meld and marry, just like oil does. So we're going to cook this wine till it's pretty much gone. Next, we're going to add a cup of cream. A little bit of nutmeg. Just a smidgen. And let this come together. This is cooked for about 4 minutes. I'm going to add the pasta. The pasta is al dente, so it really needs to cook in the sauce here. I don't know, for 5 minutes perhaps. This is the first time I made this. This has been cooking about 10 minutes. The pasta's still a bit too much al dente. I added another 1/4 cup of cream. I'm going to add a little bit of the water from the pasta. I didn't show you how to cook pasta. I figured you know how. But I saved some of the water. And we're going to let this go another 10 minutes. It should be done by then. I have it on very low heat. It's been another 5 minutes. The pasta is tasting wonderful. It has salt flavor. I added about a teaspoon of salt, maybe a little less. There at the beginning, we'll add about 1/4 a cup of Parmesan. Turn off the heat. Mix this in. Maybe we'll add some more. Yeah, like that. I can tell that you are going to want any leftovers, and this is going to be good. Let's dish some up. This will serve 3 people, maybe just 2 people. Put a little extra parm on top. if you have it, if you have some parsley. I'm going to let this cool off and we'll have a bite. Let's have a taste. It's really good. Really good. Maybe a bit more cream in it, I don't know, but it tastes really nice. I hope you try this. Thank you so much for watching.